Hello, we're group number 33 with Georgi Mishev, student number 217781, and
Georgi Chimchimov, student number 2183919. And we're showing you the Lab 4 Part 2 that requires us using the MyDeck. Before that, we can know that while this is everything, there is a RC box, and also with the digital oscilloscope and the Agilent function generator, it will be a lot easier for some novices. And now also, if we're using the breadboard, I really recommend you to be careful because the cables are a little sensitive, and during the build-up we received errors at some point because the cables are a little bit sensitive, and sometimes after the breadboard the connection got lost. And now we can see that we have the two channels, and from what is seen here, we're seeing that one of the channel is basically switching from negative to positive, while the other is like slowly building up from positive to negative, and then slowly builds up again, which shows that not all of them are like just like blink, and more like for example, like how a battery simply discharges. For example, the battery of the phone simply discharges and then charges back again. This is the example we have in channel 1, and by channel 0 we basically have just the sweep from one to another charge. We will basically go from positive to negative instantly. And also from us was required to find tau, which is basically the ohms we have from our resistor and the power we had from our capacitor, and the formula is R multiplied by C, and then we find that the answer, how much seconds, equals tau.